Welcome to ScreenShorts, a channel that make tech easy with quick and simple tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to delete suggested for you on Facebook. So let's start the process. First of all, open your Facebook app. After it opens, you will see the three lines with your profile icon at the right top. Tap on these lines. Tap on the last option, setting and privacy. Again tap on settings. Now scroll it down. And here is the option of Facebook activity. Tap on this option, scroll it down and simply tap on this option, clear history, and again tap on clear history. After clearing the history, simply close the Facebook app, open your mobile phone settings, scroll it down and tap on the option apps. Again tap on manage apps, search here for Facebook, tap on app permissions, tap on the option location and tap on third option, don't allow. Now your Facebook suggestion is now off, so the Facebook will not suggest you anything. Join the Screenshot Squad and never miss out on easy to follow tech tutorial. Again hit the subscribe button.